Hello, this video is to help you with Google Hangouts and getting started with that. And so Google Hangouts is kind of like a text message, I think of it, via Google. If you're in your Gmail and your Hangouts are on, you can see it located right in this area right here. And you can see right here it says Coach. That is who I am. And I click on the drop down arrow. Here's some just settings that I can either have on or off. Lots of different settings. We're not going to get into that. We're just going to get into some of the basics here. So first of all, if I want to do a new chat, I just click on the new conversation and then I can type the name right up here. So if I wanted to get to Benjamin Cogswell, I can either type the name or I can click right down here and my chat will pop up over here and I can send a message to that person, and just a quick way to communicate with them. If I want to do a group of multiple people, I can start here and I can do a new group, and then let's say I want to add Ben and I want to add other Ben and I want to add this trainer person, and I can name this Ben times 3. And I'm going to hit check. That's my new group. And then I can say hello to everyone here. And that will actually send it to the whole group, and then I can look for, hopefully a response will be sent fairly soon with that, and you can see how that pops up. And you can see right here, you can see the face, you can see right here the person it's from, and you can see who's read it here. So like there's no face down here on this one yet, and so you don't know who's read it. But once it has been read, you can see this little face pops up and you can tell it's been read. You can also send little stickers, which kind of can be fun. You can also send images as well. Whether it's your own photos, you could do a video search, or you could do right from the web camera. You can close those down by clicking on here and or you can close the X's to completely get rid of them and just click back over here to open them back up. You can also access them if I go to hangouts.google.com, or if I use the waffle. So I went to hangouts.google.com. It pops up my Hangouts if this is the first time that I'm here. I can do video Hangouts, by the way, as well. But I can also access them here and look over here. If I don't see them there, I can go to more, and there is Hangouts right there. And so hopefully this will help you get started with Hangouts. You can see again some of the same options. The messaging is right here. I can do the messaging that way. It pops it up open. I can actually do a phone call if I know their number. I can also go ahead and do the video call by clicking right here. And that's also very nice. If I look in my mail and I don't see this over here, I can always go to my settings by clicking on the cog and then going to my settings, and it's going to be in my general settings, and I'm going to go ahead and look for chat. Actually, sorry, it's right up here, chat. My chat is on. So settings, it's not under general, it is indeed in chat, and I can turn it on or on if it needs to be on, and then go ahead and save that change. Hopefully that helps you with Hangouts. And if you have any questions, I am Coach Ben, and hopefully I will see you again in the next video. And so thanks for watching, and we'll see you again later.